Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and felt a strange, indescribable connection to the universe? A sense that you are both insignificant and yet deeply connected to something vast and eternal? What if that feeling wasn't just poetic imagination, but a glimpse into something profound, the cosmic unconsciousness? Today, we delve into the fascinating concept of cosmic unconsciousness, a term that invites us to think beyond ourselves and tap into the collective essence of the universe. Let's begin by truly grasping the essence of cosmic unconsciousness through a story. Imagine a man named Michael. He's an astrophysicist working in a bustling city, spending his days buried in data about black holes and cosmic phenomena. Despite his success, he feels lost, disconnected from himself and the world around him. One day, overwhelmed by stress, he takes a break and drives to a remote mountain range far from the city lights. That night, under a canopy of stars, Michael experiences something extraordinary. As he stares into the infinite expanse of the universe, he feels a sudden shift. A deep sense of unity washes over him. In that moment, he no longer feels like an isolated being. He feels connected not just to the stars, but to everything: the trees around him, the animals in the forest, the people he left in the city. It's as if the universe itself is whispering to him, reminding him that he is not separate, but part of a grand cosmic dance. Michael doesn't have words to describe this feeling, but it changes him forever. Now that we've seen how cosmic unconsciousness can be illustrated through a story, let's delve deeper into its meaning. Cosmic unconsciousness is an idea rooted in both metaphysics and spirituality. While Carl Jung introduced the collective unconscious, a shared psychic realm that connects humanity, cosmic unconsciousness takes this concept to a universal scale. It suggests that the entire cosmos is imbued with a deeper consciousness, an unconscious awareness that permeates every atom, every star, and every living being. Think of it as the soul of the universe, a mysterious, infinite force that binds us all together. Philosophers, mystics, and even quantum physicists have touched upon this idea in different ways. From the concept of Brahman in Hinduism to the Tao in Taoism, to the idea of the Akashic records in Theosophy, the cosmic unconsciousness appears in many forms across human thought. But what does this mean for us in our daily lives? To bring this concept closer to home, let's think about how it manifests in our everyday experiences. Have you ever noticed how ecosystems work in perfect harmony, as though guided by an unseen hand? Or how the patterns of galaxies resemble the neurons in our brains? These parallels hint at a cosmic intelligence, a unifying principle that governs the universe on every scale. Quantum physics offers another lens. Scientists have observed that particles separated by vast distances can influence each other instantaneously, a phenomenon called quantum entanglement. Could this be a scientific glimpse of the interconnectedness that cosmic unconsciousness speaks of? And then there's the idea of synchronicity, a term coined by Carl Jung. When unrelated events align in meaningful ways, they remind us that perhaps there's more to the universe than random chance. But to truly understand cosmic unconsciousness, we need to consider its spiritual dimension. Let's explore what various traditions have to say about it. Philosophers like Friedrich Schelling and Sri Aurobindo have explored the idea that the universe itself is a living organism, with its own unconscious will and intelligence. According to these thinkers, the cosmic unconsciousness is not separate from us. It's within us, flowing through our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Sri Aurobindo, for example, believed that human beings are evolving toward higher states of consciousness, ultimately merging with the divine or cosmic mind. So how does this concept apply practically to our lives? Think about those moments of sudden inspiration when the answer to a problem seems to appear out of nowhere, or when you feel an inexplicable bond with a stranger or a place you've never been before. Could these be glimpses of the cosmic unconsciousness at work, subtly guiding us? When we meditate, practice mindfulness, or simply spend time in nature, we often feel more connected and at peace. Some spiritual traditions say this is because we're aligning ourselves with the flow of the cosmos, the great unconscious mind that holds us all. But, as with any profound idea, cosmic unconsciousness has its skeptics. Some argue that this concept is just wishful thinking, a way for humans to impose meaning on a random, indifferent universe. Others point out the lack of empirical evidence, claiming that it's impossible to prove the existence of a universal unconscious mind. And yet, even the skeptics cannot deny the allure of this idea. Whether it's through art, science, or spirituality, humanity has always sought to understand our place in the cosmos. The idea of cosmic unconsciousness invites us to imagine that we are not alone, that we are part of something much greater than ourselves. So where does this leave us? Is cosmic unconsciousness just a poetic metaphor, or is it a profound truth waiting to be uncovered? While science may not yet have the tools to measure it, the concept challenges us to expand our minds, to see the universe not as a collection of separate parts, but as a unified whole. Thank you for joining me on this journey into cosmic unconsciousness. If this exploration has sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Namowise for more deep dives into the mysteries of life and the universe.